Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's changing our world in massive ways, blockchain. Now, I know what you're thinking, cryptocurrency, right? But blockchain is so much more than that. It's a game-changing technology with applications in almost every field imaginable. So, what exactly is blockchain? Think of it as a super secure, decentralized digital ledger. Information is recorded in blocks, which are then linked together and secured using advanced cryptography. This information can be anything, from financial transactions to your university diploma. The key here is that blockchain doesn't just store data, it does so in a way that's incredibly secure, transparent, and almost impossible to tamper with. The story of blockchain really kicks off in 2009 with the arrival of Bitcoin. Created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to run on a blockchain. It proved to the world that a decentralized system could work flawlessly without any central bank or government controlling it. Even today, Bitcoin dominates the crypto market, but its greatest legacy was showing us the power of this new technology. The next giant leap forward came with Ethereum. This wasn't just another cryptocurrency. It introduced something revolutionary called smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Think of it as a vending machine for digital transactions. You put in the required input, and the smart contract automatically delivers the output, all without needing a middleman. This innovation opened the floodgates for what we now call decentralized applications, or dApps. Suddenly, developers could build all sorts of things on the Ethereum blockchain, from gaming platforms to social networks. It also led to the creation of new digital assets like ERC20 tokens and the famous NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, which represent ownership of unique items, both digital and physical. This has sparked entire new industries like decentralized finance, DeFi, and the booming digital art market. But let's move beyond finance. Where else is blockchain making an impact? Well, how about education? Universities are starting to store diplomas and certificates on the blockchain. This makes them instantly verifiable and counterfeit-proof, which is a huge help for employers. Governments are getting in on it too. Countries like Estonia and Georgia use blockchain for public records, like property registries. In Georgia, for instance, putting land records on a blockchain has made the system transparent and has virtually eliminated fraud and data tampering. It's also revolutionizing supply chains. Companies can use blockchain to track a product's journey from farm to table. This is incredibly important for ensuring the authenticity of everything from food to pharmaceuticals. You can scan a QR code and see the entire history of the product you're buying. Ever thought about investing in real estate but found it too expensive? Blockchain is changing that with tokenization. A property can be divided into digital tokens, allowing multiple people to invest smaller amounts. This makes real estate more accessible and the buying and selling process much faster. It's even transforming the energy sector. In renewable energy grids, blockchain allows people with solar panels to sell their excess energy directly to their neighbors, creating a more efficient and sustainable system. In healthcare, it can secure our medical records, giving us control over who sees our sensitive data, while also helping track the supply of vital medicines and vaccines. And for all the creators out there, blockchain platforms are enabling artists and musicians to get paid fairly for their work, cutting out the intermediaries and giving them a direct line to their fans. Countries like the UAE and Germany are already leading the way, integrating blockchain into their infrastructure for managing digital assets and ensuring operational transparency. They see the potential and are innovating at a rapid pace. Ultimately, blockchain is more than just technology. It's a new philosophy of trust and interaction. It gives us a way to manage data and exchange value securely and transparently. Think of different blockchains like different telecom companies, each offering unique features and benefits. They are providing us with entirely new tools to create and transfer value, whether that's money, property, or art. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.